Welcome back to Cooking with the Robies. Today we're going to be making pizza, homemade pizza. I'm making it for my daughter because she'll be coming home soon. So let's get this started. I'll show you guys how to do it. This is going to be a non-rising pizza dough. So hey, let's get with it. Bam! Alright, so I already got my my oven at 425. Getting ready to mix these ingredients. You're going to be using 2 1/4 cups of you can use all-purpose flour. I'm using 00 right now. 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Gonna be using 1 packet of this Fleisman's pizza crust yeast. This is a non-rising yeast. I don't know if you can see this, but let's get a look at that. 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use corn oil, but today I'm going to be using peanut oil. Obviously, you want 1 cup of a pizza sauce. You can use any of your brands, or you can make it yourself. I'm using Prego. It's pizza sauce. You can buy that at any of the markets around. And 2/3 cup of warm water at 120 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily measure that with any utensil you have. Let's get started. This is gonna be epic. This is a pepperoni pizza, by the way. Bam. Gonna be giving this all a whisk up to get all my dry ingredients together. Gonna be adding my 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. You can use corn oil or vegetable oil, but I'm using peanut oil. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more water in here. So now we're looking at almost a cup of water. Well, half a cup, actually. Okay, so we got most of this all stirred up. You can see it's a little tacky right now. But what I'm going to do right now is start kneading it. And you just turn it, flip it. A little more here. Okay, almost finished here. I actually switched this over to a board so I wouldn't have to do as much cleanup afterward. I'm gonna cut this in half because, yeah, I did do a little too much. So I'm gonna cut that in half. Alright, cut that in half. I'm gonna get a little more flour. Put on my surface here. I'm just gonna start rolling it out. We got it all rolled out. I'm gonna get my pizza pan here. And I'm going to be putting in the rest of my peanut oil. Alright, so I got some butter that I'm going to put on the side of this now. Now we'll put our sauce. Let's get our sauce in here. I already shredded up some mozzarella. Now some people use the packaged shredded stuff already, but if you're going to be baking like pizza, you want to shred it yourself. Now we're going to get our pepperoni in here. Alright, now we're going to be putting this in the oven. We're going to put it on the bottom rack, 425. And we're going to be keeping an eye on that. I'd say 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, but we're going to keep an eye on it. Alright, so pizza's ready. Let's cut this pizza. Alright, so let's get a piece out. Oh, one or two. My daughter wants 2 pieces. Time for a taste test. My daughter tasted it. Yeah, look at that lean. It's not too bad. Crust on the bottom, perfectly done. Mmm. 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 That's how you do a pizza. To the next one, I'm out.